Well, the Chinese government has pursued a policy of systematically controlling all aspects of Tibetan religious practices for many, many years. Xi Jinping clearly sees religion as a threat to Communist Party rule. We've seen the policy of Sinification of religion continue to be implemented. And this is essentially about making religion more Chinese, basically to bring religion in line with CCP ideology, especially Xi Jinping thought. Embrace the cultural and spiritual identity of Tibetan Buddhists. We've seen Tibetan monks go to prison for peaceful religious activities. Sometimes they're accused of separatism. We want the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights, Volker Turk, to speak out publicly about human rights violations in Tibet. We want the High Commissioner to urge the Chinese government to respect not just international law, but also to respect China's own constitution.